Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a group order in Uber Eats. And to do this, we'll need to click on the restaurant we want to order from. In this case, let's go for this one. Now select group order. Here you can adjust any settings, so pick where the delivery will come. Set a deadline for the group. You can choose how the payment will go, so you can pay for everybody or select guests pay for themselves. Make sure to save it afterwards. And here you can also set it to does not repeat, set as a repeat group order to place at recurring times, and adjust the time and date as well. And that's basically it. When you're ready, you'll be able to invite any guests using their Uber accounts or email address, and then you'll be able to order. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.